Welcome to the new segment of the course. In this segment we will be creating a GUI that will be serving the purpose of adding two numbers and then showing the result of those two numbers to us. So it's a very simple example and I hope you will enjoy it. So first we need three static texts. This is one, and then you can copy it and paste it here. So it's the second one, and then we need a third one as well. We also need three instances of editable text. We will use this to enter the values and also show the result. And we need another one as well. And we also need a push button for this. Okay, so for this one we can change the properties, and the initial text we can change it, and we can change it to enter first number. And then for the second one we can similarly change its properties, and we will change the property of the string, and we can write enter the second number. Okay, and then we can also change the properties over here, and we can say, for instance, the result. Okay, and we can also change the initial values over here. We can change it to 0, the default value, and we can change the value here as well. We can say the default value is, let's say, 0. Make sure you press enter after setting this value so that it appears and update in the main GUI as well. And then here we can change it also to 0. Okay, and we can push it here so that it is approximately in the center. Okay, so when the GUI starts, the user will enter first value over here, second value over here, and then the final result will appear over here. So we need to save it. I will give it a name, addition, simple addition. We have already one instance open of that, so we can say addition 2. Okay, so now it's saved. And if we want to see how the GUI will look, so the user will enter first value over here, second value over here, and then the result will appear automatically over here when we enter the push button. Okay, so now we go to the callbacks of the push button, and we will enter some code into it. So I have already written the code, and I will explain now it to you. So first, what we are doing is from editable text number 1, we are taking an input in the form of a string and storing it into variable x, and then similarly from editable text 2, we are taking the input in the form of a string and storing it in variable y, and then since these two are in string format, we need to change it to numeric form. So this is a built-in MATLAB function which will convert this string variable into a numeric variable. Similarly, this will also do the job. And then in the editable text number 3, I am showing the result of x plus y, so I'm using the set function instead of the get function. So we can run this program and see how it's doing. So I enter 2, I enter 5, and then when I push, the result is 7, which is appearing over here. So that was a very simple example. Hope you are enjoying it.